Are you tired of feeling unappreciated by the woman in your life? Do you want to learn how to command respect and earn the admiration of any woman? Then this video is for you. In just 10 simple steps, you can learn how to make any woman instantly respect you. From effective communication to demonstrating intelligence and capability, these proven strategies will help you earn the respect you deserve. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make any woman respect you. Trust us, it's worth sticking around until the end. You won't want to miss it. 1. Be authentic and genuine. To earn the respect of any woman, it's important to be genuine and authentic in your interactions with her. This means being honest and sincere, and not pretending to be someone you're not. Being authentic means being true to yourself and your values, and not trying to conform to others' expectations or desires. When you are authentic, you are more likely to build trust and connection with each other. And this is the key component of respect. To be authentic, try to be open and honest about your thoughts, feelings, and actions, and be willing to admit when you're wrong or have made a mistake. By being authentic, you will show her that you are genuine and trustworthy, and this will help you earn her respect. Number 2. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is key to earning the respect of any woman. This means being a good listener, paying attention to what she has to say, and expressing yourself clearly and directly. To communicate effectively, pay attention to what she is saying. Show her that you are interested in what she has to say and that you are paying attention. Listen actively. Use verbal and nonverbal cues to show that you are listening, such as nodding your head or making eye contact. Be clear and direct. Don't beat about the bush or try to sugarcoat your message. Be clear and direct in your communication and try to stay on topic. Use I statements. Instead of blaming or accusing her, try using I statements to express your feelings and needs. For example, "I feel hurt when you speak to me that way" is more effective than "You always speak to me in a hurtful way." Number 3. Be kind and compassionate. Kindness and compassion means treating others with empathy, understanding, and care, and be willing to support them when they are in need. This can help build trust and connection, which are essential for building respect. There is scientific evidence to support the importance of kindness and compassion in building relationships. Studies have found that people who are kind and compassionate are perceived as more likable and trustworthy, and are more likely to be respected by others. In addition, research has shown that acts of kindness and compassion can have positive effects on both the giver and the recipient, leading to increased happiness and well-being. To be kind and compassionate, try to be understanding and empathetic towards others, and be willing to offer support when it's needed. Number 4. Respect her boundaries. Respecting someone's boundaries is a crucial part of earning their respect. Boundaries are the limits and preferences that people have for how they want to be treated and interacted with. To respect her boundaries, pay attention to her nonverbal cues. If she's avoiding eye contact, crossing her arms, or backing away, she may not be comfortable with the current situation or conversation. Ask for her consent. Before touching her or engaging in any activity that may affect her, ask for her consent. Respect her privacy. Don't invade her personal space or share private information about her without her permission. And allow her to set her own limits. Recognize that everyone has different boundaries and preferences, and allow her to set and communicate her own limits. By respecting her boundaries, you show her that you value her as a person and that you are considerate of her feelings and needs. This will help you earn her respect and build a stronger relationship. Number 5. Be reliable and dependable. To earn the respect of any woman, it's important to be reliable and dependable. This means following through in your commitments, being there for her when she needs you, and being consistent in your words and actions. Being reliable and dependable shows her that you are trustworthy and that she can count on you. For example, keep your promises. If you make a promise, do your best to follow through on it. Be there for her when she needs you. Whether she needs a shoulder to cry on or help with a project, be there for her when she needs your support. Be consistent. Try to be consistent in your words and actions, and avoid making promises or commitments that you are not sure that you can keep. Number 6. Practice good manners and etiquette. Good manners and etiquette are important for showing respect to others and this is especially true when it comes to earning the respect of any woman. Good manners involve behaving in a way that is considerate of others and that follows social norms and expectations. This can include things like saying please and thank you, holding doors open for others, and not interrupting when someone is speaking. Etiquette refers to the rules and customs of polite behavior, and this can include things like dressing appropriately for the occasion, using proper table manners, and showing respect for cultural differences. Number 7. Show her that you are intelligent and knowledgeable. Showing a woman that you are intelligent and knowledgeable can be a key factor in earning her respect. Intelligence is often associated with qualities like critical thinking, problem solving, and the ability to learn and adapt. Knowledge, on the other hand, refers to the information and understanding that you have about a particular subject or field. To show her that you are intelligent and knowledgeable, you don't have to be a genius. Here's what you do. Be curious and open to learning. Show an interest in the world around you and be open to learning new things. Ask questions and seek answers. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek answers to things that you don't understand. Stay informed and up to date. Keep up with current events and be knowledgeable about a range of topics. Demonstrate your intelligence and knowledge through your words and actions. Use your intelligence and knowledge to contribute to discussions and solve problems in a meaningful way. Number 8. Show her that you are confident and capable. Showing a woman that you are confident and capable can be attractive and can help you earn her respect for several reasons. First, confidence is often seen as a desirable quality in a partner or friend. When you are confident in yourself and your abilities, it can make you more attractive to others and can help you stand out in a positive way. Second, being capable and reliable can be important in a relationship or friendship. When you show that you are capable of handling challenges and following through on your commitments, it can build trust and respect between you and the other person. Finally, showing a woman that you are confident and capable can help her feel more secure and reassured in your presence. Number 9. Be open and honest. Honesty is a key component of trust, and trust is an essential element in any healthy relationship. When you are honest with a woman, you demonstrate that you are genuine and trustworthy, and this can help build a strong and meaningful connection between you two. Honesty also allows for open and authentic communication, which is necessary for understanding and resolving conflicts or misunderstandings. When you are open and honest with a woman, you create a safe and welcoming environment where she feels comfortable expressing herself and sharing her thoughts and feelings. This can help foster mutual understanding and respect between you. Being honest and open with a woman is attractive and will make her respect you because it demonstrates your trustworthiness, promotes open communication, and shows that you respect and value her as a person. Number 10. Treat her with respect. Treating a woman with respect is essential for earning her respect in return. Respect involves valuing and treating someone with dignity and is an important component of any healthy relationship. For example, if a woman tells you that she is not comfortable with a certain topic of conversation, you can show her respect by changing the subject or finding another way to communicate your thoughts. If a woman asks you to do something for her, you can show her respect by being willing to help and follow through with your commitment. By treating a woman with respect, you demonstrate that you value and appreciate her as a person, and this can help you earn her respect in return. Before ending this video, here's what you should keep in mind. Being nice to someone doesn't mean that you should compromise your own values or boundaries, or that you should allow others to mistreat or disrespect you. It is important for everyone to respect themselves and to set and enforce healthy boundaries. This means being assertive and standing up for yourself when necessary. As you work through these steps to earn the respect of any woman, remember that respect is a two-way street. This means that it is important not to only show her respect, but also to expect and accept respect from her in return. By following these steps and treating her with kindness, compassion, and respect, you'll be well on your way to building a healthy and mutually respectful relationship with her. Don't be afraid to be yourself, and remember that genuine and authentic interactions are the key to building trust and connection. With time, patience, and effort, you can earn the respect of any woman and build a strong and meaningful connection with her. So, be confident, be yourself, and don't be afraid to show her the amazing person that you are. Now, you need to watch the recommended video you see on the screen right now. It'll show you how to make the woman beg for your attention by acting like a high-value man. Make sure you watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.